What's up guys, this is DelisoJan and I'm back for more Redstone tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you how to create a timer for your contraption. The application for this is you're making a dialog system or an event system that takes time or delay. So this is gonna be a tutorial video by DelisoJan, by me. Okay, let's open the lights on, or let's open the rooftop. Okay, there you go. So I'm not gonna edit the videos, so this will be a genuine video, no edits. So the last time we made a teleporting, you can check it on a playlist down below. So there are two types of timer that we're gonna focus on. So first of all, the old contraption that I've made. This is quite big or huge. It uses redstone torch. When I was working on an older version, there was a bug or a glitch that when you rejoin, the redstone torch will automatically turn off or on. Sorry, that's my clock with the MacBook. So the glitch was very problematic at those times, because when I create a very huge adventure map and when I rejoin, some of the contraption will automatically on due to the glitch. So I managed to create a redstone torch less design. So this what happens to the mechanic. So first of all, here's the input, here's the delay, and then the output. You can output here if you like. I wrote a code output 1 and then a delay again and then output 2. It is easy to configure. Just put the amount of times do you like to delay. Like for example, I put 10 blocks. Any stackable blocks or items is like pwede. So sorry, my dog is barking outside and you can hear it because I'm not editing this. So yeah, so as I click the input, then it will delay for a 10 minutes or 10 seconds rather. You can change, you can put a lot of items there, maybe a 2 minutes item. So yeah, wait, oh my goodness, I think I forgot. Wait, I need to put a lava. I really hate the new UI of the Minecraft. It's not, as you can see there. Then after the 10 seconds, it will automatically output a signal and then output the second signal. It is very easy. So to make this, you need to put like this. You can post the video or screenshot it. It's quite simple. The First of all, the input, there's a lever that is a static signal, and then there's a redstone torch facing to this hopper. This hopper is facing to this hopper, and this hopper is facing downwards. So yeah, it will be stuck over there. So it will store rather. And then the output, you need to place a redstone comparator from this hopper over here, and then there's a redstone torch to invert the signal as here. So it's simple. So in here it's a very compact design. It's a modernized design from that design. So it is a similar mechanics, but we're not using the redstone torch. So that's the case. So here we have a toggle system using a dropper and then one item, and then a hopper facing downwards. So there, as you can see, you can configure it with this hopper. So this one is not reusable, so you cannot reuse this when it fires. So over here I put a reusable contraption or a mechanism to you can reloop this. Let's just say you can reloop this in a mini game. So yeah, it's very helpful for an adventure map. So let's test it. Input, that's a signal, then it will turn this off, then output 1, and then after the 10 seconds output 2. It's very useful. So to make this, let's just create over here. I'm just gonna create here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There you go. It is, you can expand this to however you like. Let's just say 10 or 5 delays. You can put it there. It's very complex design, so I'm just gonna put this fast and efficient. Oh shoot. And there, let's put it. Oh, I missed block. Oh my goodness, I really hate the new UI because I'm not well oriented with this, or not really. Okay, let's put it here. So let's grab some items. You need to grab some dropper, as you can see. So yeah, we have some dropper. This is not the reusable. We're gonna go there soon. Putting a dropper facing to you, then a hopper facing downwards. Then we need to put a button. So this will be the input. Okay, we need to put a one items or one block or an item, not items. We need to put a block, so it would concentrate to distinct. Okay, we need to put a hopper facing down and a hopper facing to the hopper. Okay, then putting a redstone comparator from this hopper over here, the one that is facing to the other hopper. You can put any amount of blocks, configure how much delay you want. So putting another block here and another redstone repeater. There you go. This method will be using a redstone block. Redstone block, yeah. Redstone block. Put a redstone block over here, then a comparator over here. You must click it with the invert. I think that's an invert feature. I forgot. Put a block over here. So yeah, that's all. That's your output 1. To create an output 2, you need to create it as if we're creating the last one over here. So sorry if my dog is barking at the background. I really need to orient my dog when I'm recording. So I'm just gonna fast forward. Not gonna fast forward because I'm not gonna edit it. I'm gonna put a block again with 5, and then if you like to expand it, let's expand it for tutorial reasons, for you guys to better wait a minute. Okay, I forgot. There, then another one over here, and a redstone repeater. We're just gonna making it expandable. You can create unlimited amount of delays if you like. I don't know what would you do with that delay. So that's 5 ticks. So as you can see, there's no signal. To identify that there's a signal, let's put a say command. Say command output. Let's output 1. No fancy editing is done. Output 2. Then say output 3. There. So when we fire it, oops, I really hate the new UI. If you click, let's say there's a trigger and then an input. Then after the 10 seconds, it will output, and then after 5, and then after 5, voila. You can put a lot of commands here, you can put a lot of delays there, and yeah, it is very useful when you're creating an adventure map. As you can see, here is this contraption is useful when you're making a minigame. Not a storyline, but a minigame. As you can see, I will demonstrate. It will say the output after 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay, there you go. 10 and then 2. And then if you like to reload it, just click here, then wait for it. Wait a minute. Is that? Nope. And then click this, and then reload it. As you can see, if you click it again, you can change the command over here. As you can see, it will restart the method. So that's the timer delay. That's my invention. Just take credits. That's my oh my god, why am I laughing? So yeah, that's DelisoJan's equation. That's me. And yeah, if you love to request a contraption for your next adventure map or mini game, you can comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it will help me a lot of it. And yeah, so this is DelisoJan signing out. Peace.